In this tutorial, we're going to be following on from the last tutorial, which was how to make an NPC move. But if you watched the last video, you would know that the NPC wasn't all animated when it was moving to the part. In this video, we're going to fix that and animate the NPC, or any character you want. Firstly, you've got to go into the dummy and click on the humanoid. Insert object and insert an animator. Next, create a folder. I'm going to call it animations. As you can guess, this is where our animations are going to go. Now we're going to get the animations. Press play. Go into the workspace and go into your character's model. Now copy the animate script and press stop. Go into your dummy and use Ctrl-Shift-V to paste the animate script into it. And as you can see here, we have all of the default animations for a Roblox character. In this case, we want the walk animation. Cut that. Now we can delete the animate script if we don't need anything more from it. Paste that into animations and get that actual animation into the folder. Delete the value. So here is the default Roblox walk animation, but you can do any animation for any action that you want. This is just an example. Now let's make the animation work. We need to make a variable for it. This is the code from my last tutorial. You can copy it now, or you can go and watch the last tutorial to learn how to make this. Then make a variable. I'll just call it walk. And then we need to reference the animator object in the humanoid. This script is in the model of the character. So put the script in the model you want to animate. So script.Parent.Humanoid.Animator. And then we're going to want to load an animation. And the animation is script.Parent.Animations.Walk.Anim, or whatever your animation is called. Now, where you want your animation to play, in this case it's all of the time when the NPC is moving, put a piece of code to tell the animator to play the animation. Here we need to code the animation to play. Walk, play. But if we play now, as you can see, it's working. But when it reaches the point and stops walking, the walk animation is still playing. So how do we fix this? We need to tell Roblox to stop the animation from being played once the character has stopped walking. So here we do humanoid.MoveToFinished.wait. What this will do is it will stop the script from running until this MoveTo that we told the humanoid to do previously has finished. And when that's finished, we tell the walk animation to stop. Now if we play, you'll see that it stops once it reaches its destination. But what if you don't want the default walk animation to be played? What if you want another animation to be played, like a custom animation? Well, let's create another animation. And call it CustomWalk, let's say. If you go to the website that I've linked in the description, there are codes of many animations that you can apply to your NPC or your character. So here I'm going to use the astronaut walk. Copy the numbers. Go back to Studio. And go into the custom walk. Now where it says animation ID in the properties section, paste it in and Roblox will instantly find the asset. Now we've got to go back into the script and change the animation that we want to be played to custom walk. Let's test it and see if it works. As you just saw, that was not the default walk animation, and it was in fact the astronaut walk that we told it to play. If you use these simple steps of telling the animator to load the animation, playing the animation, and stopping the animation when you want it to stop, you can use this in any context that you want with any animation that you want. I hope this helped you. Please, if you have any other questions, let me know in the comments section. If you have any suggestions of what to do next for a tutorial, leave them in the comments section also. The next video that I'm going to do is going to be about the pathfinding service in Roblox, so if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Thank you.